Hey guys, this is Wycliffe from TechHood254. Welcome back to the channel. If you're finding us for the first time, on this channel we talk about how to make an income online in Kenya. And so if that type of content is going to be relevant to you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content on how you can do the same. Now in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one side hustle that you can use to help you make a significant income online over a long duration of time. Now I say that because this is something that I have been able to do successfully. But before I get into sharing about this side hustle, I'd like to mention something that I have seen or something that I've been able to notice while working online or even checking out videos on YouTube. Now a lot of Kenyans are, looking for temporary fixes. Not just Kenyans, but most of the young people right now are looking for methods on how they can make money quickly. And what's happening with that is that they are, drawing the short straw, if I can use that phrase. So basically this means that they are coming up with methods. But the methods they are using aren't long-term. For instance, right now, there is a significant, shaking in what's going on in the world. And so this has affected our economy significantly and people have lost their jobs. And so if the methods you're using to make money, not just online, but even offline, are temporary methods, then this can seriously hurt your income and your source of livelihood. So what I'm going to give you in this particular video is something that will probably be of benefit for those who are interested to help you over a long period of time. It's something that is sustainable. And this method that I'm talking about is creating content for websites. Now there are numerous websites being created every single day. Almost 500,000 websites are going live even today as we speak. This is because we live in the information era. A lot of people are starting businesses, and most of these businesses are online businesses because things are moving from the old method to digital methods and people are going online. And so what that means is that people are looking for content for their blogs. People are looking for copywriters for their blogs. People are looking for people to, create articles for their websites. And people are looking for people who can write, sales scripts. And in this video, I just want to share with you the importance of somebody who is interested in learning how to write articles or how to write blogs, and why this is a significant skill to have. For me, it's one of the biggest or one of the best high income skills that you can learn at the moment, because it doesn't stop when the economy, is shaken. A lot of these businesses out there require you to have, require information. They require information to go out on their platforms. And so if you can learn this skill, it will help you make a significant amount of income over time. This is something that we've been able to do for the last 4 years now with my partner. And even during this pandemic season, we are still using this particular method to make an income online as things happen and as things go by. So if you are interested in learning how you too can start, a career, or if this is a side hustle that you would like to maybe learn, then go ahead and check out the description box. There is a link there that will take you to our website, and we can get started from there. We'll show you how we've been able to scale from absolutely knowing nothing about content writing or creating content for websites to going to levels where we've been able to earn as much as $50 for a single article and more. So that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.